take a look, take a look. So the moment we have been waiting for. 2021 Dodge Charger Redeye Widebody. From what we know already right now, it's the first one in Miami. We get the opportunity. It's a good customer of ours. Not yet, he wants to be presented on cameras, but look at this beauty. It just got here yesterday. It has about 80 miles. The interior is amazing. You got it white with the red interior. Look at that. Enjoy the moment. This is something that you don't see every day, so we're gonna do a little bit more deeper. So if you take a look right here, the detail is simple, but it means 90 horsepower more than the regular Charger Widebody Hellcat. So when you ask about why you need more power, why more power? So we love American muscle. Now everything is changing, but we want to continue to have this big boys and enjoy them. Take a look. Massive filter. So it's the exact same motor that the actual Demon has. It's just a little bit less tuned, so that way the car has the original performance. The filter is the same, the throttle body is the same, the motor is the same. So the same mechanism for the AC unit, you know, it switches, so the AC goes into the motor when it needs to cool down a little bit. But what a beast, bro. Let's start it up. Let's see how it sounds. What a sound. That's factory exhaust. So imagine when we do the little tricks we do to them. So stay tuned, Miami Towers. This is what customers bring. We get them plain, we upgrade them, we do tints, suspension, so follow down below so you can see all drills. Let's take your first spin. Enjoy that moment. Taking the beast out for the spin for the first time. One more time, we're blessed. This customer is allowing us to do a test drive on it. We're excited. You feel the power automatically when you start the car. We have it in the performance package, so that way when we do a little test pull right now, it's really low miles, so we don't want to abuse it too much. We just want to spin it off for a few seconds so you guys can actually feel it. So I wanted to tell you a little bit about the car. It's not a lot, it's not a big difference. It's just 90 horsepower more. If you don't do the homework and you don't look for the actual good pricing, this car is going to be overpriced for a good, I'll say 3-4 months when it becomes to the dealers. This one was brought down from North Carolina, so it's the first one in Miami. At this point, there's none here in Miami. We get the opportunity one more time to drive it. This car was paid completely with the transport and everything, $83,000. So this guy is an expert on negotiation and he's really smart. So we take the advantage of actually getting the negotiation deals with him. So the car is completely exactly the same as a regular Hellcat. It just has a better tune, has a bigger throttle body from factory, it has a better filter from factory, and it brings the power to the ground. Tires, you know, it needs to be replaced, but once you do that, you get the beast emotion. So enjoy. Thank you so much for following up, comment, and share.